Hey there, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this decimal division problem. I chose this particular problem because one of my awesome viewers requested it. Big shout out to them. It is so important to ask questions during any learning process. The first thing I need to do here is to place these numbers into this long division box. This decimal number of 3.1 is the dividend, and it will go inside the box because it is the first number in this math sentence. The 5 is the divisor, and it will go outside of the long division box. Now I am ready to start the long division process. There are 5 steps I need to follow. Step number 1, divide. I am going to divide the divisor of 5 into each number in the dividend. So I start with how many times does 5 divide into 3? Well, 3 is smaller than 5, so it is impossible to divide 5 into it. When this happens, we place a 0 up in the quotient like this. Notice that I brought the decimal point into the quotient as well. Since I could not divide into the 3, I'll combine it with the next digit of 1 to create the number 31. So I ask myself, how many times does 5 divide into 31? And that would be 6 times. Now I'm ready for step 2, multiply. I will multiply 6 times 5 to get 30. Step 3 is to subtract. I will subtract 30 from 31 to get a remainder of 1. The next step in division is to bring down, but I have run out of digits up in the dividend, and I know that I am not done dividing because when you are dividing with decimal numbers, you can't stop the division process until you have a 0 remainder or a repeating pattern. As you can see, I have a remainder of 1 here. To solve this problem, I will need to add a 0 to the dividend and then bring it down. Now I have the number 10, so I can continue with step 5 of the long division process, which is to repeat the steps again. So I will divide 5 into 10, and I know that 5 divides into 10 2 times. And then I multiply 2 times 5 to get 10. Now I subtract 10 from 10 to get 0. And now since I have a 0 remainder and no more digits left in the dividend, I am done. So 3.1 divided by 5 is 0.62. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to keep watching more math tutorials, because the more confidence you have in math, the more successful you will be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.